pivotal moments in your life?
6 votes. I would say number 1 is when I was 10 years old. This might sound weird to you all. I was outside in Forest Park. I was hanging some clothes on the line because we didn't have to dry. And I heard a voice I heard something call my name, and I looked everywhere, and I couldn't figure out where that voice was coming from. It seemed like it was coming from midair, and all it was saying was it called my name 3 times. Bernice, Bernice, Bernice. And after that happened, I had a desire that I wanted to be saved. I wanted to be a Christian. And from then on, I started reading the Bible, reading religious literature. I would say that was one of my greatest moments when I heard that voice.
Anything else?
No, I think this just about did it. Once I heard that, it gave me a desire to be saved.